Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. So today's video is sponsored by OMGHerHair. They sent me over one of their new collections, their newest wigs, and I'm very excited to install it and show you guys how it looks, how it turns out. So this is everything that came in the package, guys, and this is the unit. It is their Boss Lady Bob wig. Look at that blunt cut, guys. This is a 10-inch unit and it is a 5x5 closure wig. So this is what the construction of the unit is looking like. It does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted for you. So literally all I will need to do is cut the lace off and I should be good to go. So the density of this unit is 180% and it is an average sized cap. So let's get into the installation of this unit. This is what it's looking like straight out the package and it looks good. It just needs a little bit of work and not a lot. So I'm keeping the side part of the unit. You can change that if you want, of course, but I'm keeping it as is. So guys, this is their super fitted glueless wig cap. You can go absolutely glueless. I'm going to just spray this down with some lace spray to secure it so you can see what it would look like, but you can go glueless. And this is their real invisible HD lace with a pre-plucked hairline. The link for the unit will be in the description of the video, guys, so please go ahead and check that out. I also have a discount code for you in the description so you can save yourself some money, some coins. So check the description and utilize that discount code for some dollars off your order. So basically the lace is laid down right here. I'm going to tie that down and begin working on the unit itself. I must say it's lightweight and it's a bob season. It's bob season. I see all the girlies wearing bobs and I've been kind of hesitant to see if I want to try a bob, and I am happy that I'm giving it a chance and trying something new. So I'm very excited to see how this will turn out for me. Usually I would go in all throughout the front using my wax stick and kind of flatten the front of the unit, guys, but who wants a flat bob? Not me. So I'm just going to work on the literal top of the unit right there where you can see a little bit of poofing. It's kind of higher than usual. I'm just going to use a little bit of wax on it and then my hot comb to lay that down a bit, and I'm just going to part through that section because you still see it a little bit poofy right there. So I think one more parting and we should be good. So guys, now I'm going to flat iron the unit. I'm just adding a little bit of heat protector on the hair itself, and this will give it some moisture but not weigh down the hair and make it flat. And then I'm going in with my flat iron. As I'm flat ironing the unit, I'm kind of curling it a little bit to the end so it has that bob effect. You'll see it. I don't know how to explain it, but I am flat ironing it but not just straight down. I'm kind of curving it a little, as you can see right there, so you have that nice little bob effect. Okay guys, so now I'm going to cut the excess lace off the unit. Once I do that, I use my got2b spray it on my fingers and kind of dab that into the lace and press it into my skin. I do not spray it directly on it just so I can control it, but if you want to spray it directly on, you can absolutely do that. Then I'm going to cool this down with my blow dryer before I tie it, because sometimes when you tie it immediately, it just gets messy, tacky, and it's just a whole mess. So guys, honestly, the installation process was so quick, so easy. I'm already done. I'm just going through again with my flat iron to go over the hair and make sure I get that bob effect. I did brighten the part in a little bit with my concealer, but I am definitely feeling this bob. It's looking good. It's so bouncy. So let's get into the final look. So guys, this is what the bob is looking like, and I am feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? I think it's so cute, so bouncy, full of life, guys. I love this short hair on me. I think it's just a change from my regular hairstyle, and I just want to shake my head for no reason so you can see that I'm wearing a bob. So thank you so much to OMGHerHair for sponsoring today's video. Remember to check the description for the link to this unit, guys. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.